How to edit your avatar on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your avatar on Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on the profile icon up there, scroll down and click on the second option and preference, which is avatar, and click on edit your avatar. Wait a second and now click on the pen icon and you can choose your avatar. For example, this one, and click on you can change outfit and anything you want, and click on done if you are done, and click on done, save change, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.